Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do Origami Box divider. To make this divider, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. The same size paper is taken to make the box also. Tap on this to learn how to make Origami Box. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be creating a cross crease. Then open the paper and bring 4 corners to the center point. That is called Blind's base. Now open the flap and bring the tip to this point and fold it back on the same crease line. Do the same thing for all 4 sides. Now turn the paper, then create a cross crease. Now collapse the model into water bomb base. Bring this tip to this point. Repeat the same thing for all the 4 sides. This is the pre-creasing for the next step. Now open this triangle and squash down into square as shown. Repeat the same thing for all the 4 sides. Now fold down this triangle as shown. Now open this triangle and create a rectangle there. No need to make any new creases, just go along with the creasing lines. Now fold it into half and the box divider is done. It fixes exactly to the same sized origami box. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.